This is Audible.
The Art of Letting Go. Stop overthinking, stop negative spirals, and find emotional freedom. Written by Nick Trenton, narrated by Russell Newton. Chapter 1. The Art of Letting Go. Letting go can be one of the most challenging and yet transformative experiences in life. Whether it's letting go of a relationship, a job, a dream, a belief, or a behavior, the act of releasing something that individuals have held onto for a long time can feel like a loss, a failure, or a betrayal of themselves. At the same time, however, it can also be liberating, empowering, and enlightening as individuals open themselves up to new possibilities, insights, and growth. This is a powerful book that offers readers a new perspective on the art of releasing emotional burdens. Whether individuals are struggling to let go of a past relationship or trying to break free from negative thought patterns, this book is a must-read. Written with deep compassion and insight, it empowers readers to shed the weight of emotional baggage and find the courage to move on to a happier, healthier future. Drawing upon both life experiences and psychological techniques, the author reveals the secrets to releasing what no longer serves humans and embracing the beauty of letting go. The book delves into topics such as self-awareness, acceptance, forgiveness, gratitude, mindfulness, compassion, and resilience, and shows how they can foster a sense of inner peace, clarity, and purpose. The book also addresses common myths and misconceptions about letting go, such as the idea that it means giving up or forgetting, and offers a more nuanced and empowering perspective that honors our past, present, and future selves. Whether individuals are struggling with a particular challenge or seeking to cultivate a more mindful and meaningful life, this book will provide them with insights and inspiration to help them let go of what no longer serves them and embrace what does. Is everyone ready to embark on this journey of letting go? Letting go is often used in psychology to describe the process of releasing attachments to something or someone. It may refer to letting go of negative thoughts, emotions, or behaviors that hold an individual back from reaching their full potential. At its core, letting go is all about surrendering control and allowing oneself to move on from situations that may no longer serve a person's best interests. As the reader begins this chapter, they'll be introduced to three important concepts: dichotomy of control, non-judgmental thinking, and self-distancing. Each of these ideas builds on one another, offering a key understanding of how to approach various situations in life. On one hand, the principle of dichotomy of control emphasizes the importance of focusing on what can be controlled, rather than worrying about the things that cannot. This concept is especially useful when trying to navigate certain challenges or obstacles. Meanwhile, non-judgmental thinking encourages the reader to approach situations with an open and accepting mind, free from biases and assumptions. Finally, the concept of self-distancing offers techniques for gaining a more objective perspective, particularly when dealing with emotionally charged situations. These three concepts work in tandem to help the reader cultivate a more balanced and effective approach to problem solving and decision making. Dichotomy of control. Some things are within our power, while others are not. Within our power are opinion, motivation, desire, aversion, and, in a word, whatever is of our own doing. Not within our power are our body, our property, reputation, office, and, in a word, whatever is not of our own doing. Epictetus. The dichotomy of control is a central concept in Stoic philosophy that emphasizes the importance of distinguishing between things that are within one's control and things